Crossdressing is the act of wearing clothing that is traditionally associated with the opposite sex. Some people crossdress for fun, for self-expression, for artistic or performance purposes, or for exploring their gender identity. Crossdressing can be a rewarding and liberating experience, but it can also come with some challenges and risks. In this video, we will share some tips on how to safely go outside while crossdressing, from choosing your style and outfit, to acting and behaving in public, to finding support and having fun. How to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for crossdressing outside. Before you go outside while crossdressing, it is important to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for the experience. Here are some tips on how to do that. Know your purpose and motivation. Ask yourself why you want to crossdress outside, and what you hope to achieve or gain from it. This will help you stay focused and positive throughout your crossdressing journey. Set realistic expectations and goals. Be aware of the potential benefits and challenges of crossdressing outside and plan accordingly. Don't expect everyone to love or hate you because of your crossdressing. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to look or act perfectly. Be flexible and adaptable to different situations and outcomes. Do your research and homework. Learn as much as you can about crossdressing, from the basics of dressing up, to the etiquette and safety tips, to the resources and communities available for crossdressers. You can also look for inspiration and advice from other crossdressers who have gone outside before. Practice and rehearse. Before you go outside, practice your crossdressing skills at home or in a safe environment. Try on different outfits, experiment with different makeup techniques, practice your voice and mannerisms, etc. You can also take photos or videos of yourself and ask for feedback from trusted friends or online peers. Build your confidence and courage. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements as a crossdresser and as a person. Affirm yourself with positive messages and compliments. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and empower you. Don't let fear or doubt stop you from pursuing your crossdressing dreams. How to select clothes that fit your body type. Here are some tips on how to select clothes that fit your body type and gender expression are. Know your measurements and sizes. Use a tape measure to measure your chest, waist, hips, inseam, etc., and compare them with the size charts of different brands or stores. Choose clothes that flatter your shape and proportions. Depending on whether you want to create a more feminine or masculine silhouette, you may want to emphasize or minimize certain areas of your body. For example, if you want to create a more feminine shape, you may want to wear clothes that cinch at the waist, flare at the hips, or add volume at the bust. If you want to create a more masculine shape, you may want to wear clothes that are straighter, looser, or add bulk at the shoulders. Use shapewear or padding if needed. If you want to alter the appearance of certain parts of your body, such as your chest, waist, hips, or buttocks, you can use shapewear or padding to create the desired effect. Shapewear can help you smooth, compress, or lift certain areas, while padding can help you add volume or curves. You can find shapewear or padding online or in specialty stores that cater to crossdressers. How to accessorize and enhance your look with hairstyle, makeup, jewelry, etc. Here are some general tips on how to accessorize and enhance your look are. Choose a wig or hairstyle that suits your face shape and outfit. If you want to change the length, color, or texture of your hair, you can wear a wig that matches your desired look. You can also style your own hair with products, tools, or accessories. You should choose a wig or hairstyle that complements your face shape and outfit. Apply makeup that enhances your features and skin tone. Makeup can help you create a more feminine or masculine appearance by accentuating or concealing certain features of your face. You should apply makeup that enhances your features and skin tone, and matches the occasion and time of day. Wear jewelry that adds some sparkle and personality. Jewelry can help you add some sparkle and personality to your outfit. You can wear earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, etc., that suit your taste and style. However, you should also be careful not to wear too much or too flashy jewelry that can draw unwanted attention or clash with your outfit. You should also consider the size and shape of your jewelry and how they affect your proportions. How to walk and talk in a feminine or masculine way. Here are some tips on how to walk and talk in a feminine or masculine way are. Walk with grace or swagger. Depending on whether you want to create a more feminine or masculine impression, you may want to walk with grace or swagger. If you want to walk with grace, you may want to take smaller steps, keep your feet close together, swing your hips slightly, and keep your shoulders back and chest out. If you want to walk with swagger, you may want to take larger steps, keep your feet apart, sway your shoulders slightly, and keep your chest in and chin up. Talk with pitch or tone. Depending on whether you want to create a more feminine or masculine impression, you may want to talk with pitch or tone. If you want to talk with pitch, you may want to raise or lower the frequency of your voice, depending on your natural range. You can also use inflection or modulation to add variation and emotion to your voice. If you want to talk with tone, you may want to change the quality or timbre of your voice, depending on your natural resonance. You can also use volume or intensity to add emphasis or expression to your voice. How to find safe and supportive spaces and communities for crossdressers. Here are some tips on how to find safe and supportive spaces and communities for crossdressers are. Do your research and homework. Before you go outside while crossdressing, you should do some research and homework on the places and people that are friendly and welcoming to crossdressers. You can use online sources, such as websites, blogs, forums, social media, etc., to find information and reviews on the places and people that are crossdresser friendly. You can also ask for recommendations or referrals from other crossdressers who have gone outside before. Be selective and cautious. When you go outside while crossdressing, you should be selective and cautious about the places and people that you visit or interact with. You should avoid places and people that are known to be hostile or dangerous to crossdressers, such as certain neighborhoods, bars, clubs, or groups. You should also be careful about revealing your personal information or location to strangers or online contacts, as they may have ulterior motives or intentions. Be respectful and courteous. When you go outside while crossdressing, you should be respectful and courteous to the places and people that you visit or interact with. You should follow the rules and etiquette of the places that you enter, such as dressing appropriately, paying your bills, tipping your servers, etc. You should also be polite and friendly to the people that you meet, such as greeting them, introducing yourself, complimenting them, thanking them, etc. Crossdressing outside can be a wonderful and fulfilling experience for those who do it. It can help you express yourself, explore yourself, learn new things, meet new people, and have fun. However, crossdressing outside can also be challenging and risky, as you may face some difficulties and dangers. Therefore, you should prepare yourself mentally and emotionally, choose your style and outfit carefully, act and behave appropriately, and find safe and supportive spaces and communities. By following these tips, you can safely go outside while crossdressing and enjoy your crossdressing experience.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.